Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how I made this full curly wig without a lace closure or a frontal. I used the sewing method. This video was actually a requested video by one of my subscribers. Yes, I'm not saying I'm an expert in this, but I do make it work. So guys, if you want to actually see how I achieved this look, do not go away, keep on watching. So this is the wig cap I will be using, and this is the hair extension I'll be using. 3 bundles. This is a 2020-22. So now let's get started.
Lady, oh yeah, come on, let my jolo. Baby, dance ya, oh leya. No, they play me like player. Oh yeah, Joe for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my jolo. Yes, mama, turn your swag on. Cause I spit fire like a dragon on the dance floor. You know you kill all. Call the DJ, spin all. They be asking, what's my name? They be asking, say, what's my name? Oh, na, oh, na. Baby, dance ya, oh leya. Many music they to play, dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, come on, be my flow. Oh ya, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Yeah, oh yeah, no they play me like player. Baby, me kojo dada, cause you know I flow ada. That cheesy, freshy boy way to easy. I got the cat that you need him, plus I got this one that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. Beauty so undeniable, baby girl, one day till the morning. Cause I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume champagne, no, not time for darling, give it to me more. Music's playing, everybody dance, everybody dance, everybody feel the same. Baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music there to play, dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, come on, be my flow. Oh ya, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Okay now, but see, and I'm killing it again, my yeah, below. Lady, oh yeah, come on, let my jolo. Baby dance ya, oh leya. No they play me like player. Oh yeah, Joe for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my jolo. Yes, mama, turn your swag on. Cause I spit fire like a dragon on the dance floor. You know you kill all. Call the DJ, spin all. They be asking, what's my name? They be asking, say, what's my name? Oh, na, oh, na. Baby dance ya, oh leya. Many music there to play, dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, come on, be my flow. Oh ya, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Dance ya, ole ya. No they play me like player. Baby, me kojo dada, cause you know I flow ada. That cheesy, freshy boy way to easy. I got the cat that you need him, plus I got this one that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. Beauty so undeniable, baby girl, one day till the morning. cause I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume.
So now I've gotten to the front part. We just have to be careful here so that when you sew it, the threads don't show that much. Like I said, I'm not an expert in this, but let's see how it goes.
Baby, dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Oh yeah, come on, if he my flow, oh yeah, make you take a slow. It's okay, if he my flow, don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, if he my flow, come on, make you take a slow. Come on, if he my flow, don't fool me, my baby. Ha ha.
Sorry about my camera lighting, it was just going off and on. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find it helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.